sir, yes sir, yes sir. What's up guys, sonnthetrader. Thank you guys for watching. In today's video, man, I'm gonna talk about how to stay positive when you're losing in the charts and the markets, right? As a trader, man, every traders that trade the markets, it doesn't matter, stocks, cryptos, forex, index, it doesn't matter which one you're trading, you're going to lose, right? You're going to lose at some point, that's the part of trading that a lot of people just don't like. But at the same time, you have to lose to learn more. The more you lose, the more you're gonna learn, the more you're gonna understand how it works, man. Me personally, I think I got better by losing the most in the markets. Just by losing the most, just by failing all these challenges, by blowing all these live accounts. That's how I got better at trading. For these past 4 years, that's pretty much how I got better. Like this year, I think I'm getting better. Like I see myself getting better, and the way I stay positive in the markets is whenever I take a loss, I just go outside, maybe just touch grass or something. I don't know, just look at nature, and that's what I be doing. I be going to the park, or maybe just sit down, or just walk around, take the thoughts out of my head. Because whenever you lose in the markets, these thoughts be coming out of nowhere. It's like you wanna trying to make you get back in or something like that. If you do that, man, that's the best way you're gonna keep failing for years, man. I did that. I think I started doing that when I was like 18. Started doing that every time I lost, I was get back in, man. It's like, nah, bro, don't do that. Whenever you lose, maybe take like an hour or 3 hours, or even, I don't know, maybe the rest of the day off if you want, and to take your mind off what happened in the markets, right? So yeah, man, you have to stay positive no matter what in trading, bro. Even like when you're winning, when you're losing, you have to keep that positive mindset. You know what I'm saying? You have to keep that positive thoughts even before you open the charts, bro. Even before you open the trading view charts, you have to be positive. You have to be positive, right? One thing I noticed, bro, is like the market reacts based on how you react, right? So if you're in let's just say you're in a bad mental state or whatever, or you're not thinking right, or something happened today and then now you're stressing about it, if you're gonna take it to the market, you're gonna lose, bro. You're gonna lose. I'm telling you, you're gonna lose. So the best you can do is like stay away from the markets when you're having a bad day, when things are not going your way. Just stay away from the markets, because it's gonna make it 10 times worse, right? So yeah, man, I mean, it's hard to stay positive, man. It is hard. Trust me, it is hard to stay positive. But at the same time, it's just you have to have a positive mindset when you come to the charts. You know what I'm saying? Like, we all want something out of the markets. We all want to become the best version of ourselves. We all want to do better in the charts. We all want to catch, like the good pips, catching good risk to reward. We all want to have a better win rate, we all want to grow our live accounts and maybe get funded too, right? So yeah, man, you have to keep positive thoughts, bro. You have to have a positive mindset when you come to trading, bro, because trading can put you to depression. It can put you through it can put you a lot more, bro. Like when people say it took them like 4 or 5 years to make it in trading, it's not just trading charts, bro. It's more to that, bro. It's a mental battle, G. It's way more than just marking the charts. It's way more than just marking resistance and support, bro. It's way more to that, man. Like trading showed me a lot about myself. I didn't even know back then. I didn't even know. Yeah, I was greedy before, yes. I was impatient before, yes. It's a lot, bro. It's a lot. That's why a lot of people can't do trading. That's why a lot of people are not built for it, man. That's why a lot of people be giving up the moment they lose, bro. Because most people are not mentally built for the charts. They're not mentally built for it. That's why a lot of them be saying trading is a scam, trading is this, trading is that, because most of them don't take their time to literally actually go through all the phases that comes with trading, like blowing live accounts, mentally going insane, you know, losing challenges, you know, like, bro, it's more to it, man. It's so much more to it that, like, when I look at trading, man, I'm like, damn, man, I see why a lot of people be giving up. I see why there's only a few percentage. There's a few percentage of people that make it in trading. A few, the ones that stick around, bro. The ones that be going through the phases, all the phases, bro. These are the people that make it out. And I know for a fact I'm gonna be one of the people that make it out because I've been through all the phases, bro. I've been through it all, G. I've been through it all. I didn't give up, man. I didn't give up. The thing is, like, when you give up, like, what are you gonna learn out of it? What are you doing when you give up? Nothing. You're not gaining anything when you give up, man. Like, it doesn't matter if it's not trading. Even in life, man, like, when you give up on something you've been working on, you just lost, man. You just lost, pretty much. Like you started something, you had the dream for it, and then you just gave up. Like, what are you gonna learn? What are you gonna gain after that? You're probably gonna look back at it like maybe 10 years later or more years later and be like, damn, man, I started this, but I didn't even finish it. Like, I didn't even kept going. You're not gaining anything when you're not gaining anything when you give up on something, man. You're not, man. You're not gaining anything. Even in business, even I'll say relationships too. Even if you give up on a relationship, I mean, I don't think you're gaining anything out of that, bro. Pretty much, like, I mean, I'm not, like I said, I'm not a relationship expert, but I know, like, everything you do in life, man, the moment you give up on something, it's like, if you, like, not everything, but mostly, like, whatever it is, like, that can bring you better in life, if you give up in it, man, if you give up on that dream, bro, you're gonna regret it, man. You're gonna regret it. And I don't want to be one of those people that end up regretting their life and things like that because of something they started. That's why I kept going in trading, because I know what I want. I know the moment I started trading, I already knew this is what I really wanted to do, man. This is what I really wanted to do. I love to trade, bro. I love to mark up the charts. I love to just analyze everything. I love it, man. It's like a lot of people can't understand it. A lot of people can't understand me either. But at the same time, it's just, man, like, when you're trading, man, you just have to believe in yourself, right? Believe in yourself. Always trust yourself. Trust whatever you're doing in the markets, man. You do not need a new strategy. You just need to lock in. You need to lock in, bro. You need to just lock in. You can literally mark up the charts from resistance and support and get good at that, bro. Literally. Just off resistance and support. You can literally mark up the charts off resistance and support and just get better at that on a higher time frame, and then just take the trade on a lower time frame, and you get better at that, man. You just, like I said in my previous videos, you go from the weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, and to the lower time frames, right? So yeah, man, like, keeping a positive mindset, man, in the charts, it's hard. I know it is, man. I've blown many accounts before. I've failed many times before. I still keep going, man. I just keep going, because if I give up, bro, like, I pretty much just lost, bro. Like, literally, when people, like, think about it that way, right? I'm gonna give you an analogy, right? This is analogy. Trading. Okay, let's just say it like that, right? If Michael Jordan, right? If Michael Jordan only took the deal, you know, like, when he started playing basketball, he just took the deal, right? And maybe he won the championship. I don't really watch basketball like that, but I know for a fact if Michael Jordan did take that deal and then just stop playing basketball after a while, he would never be known as the greatest basketball player of all time. He would never be known as that. Why is he known as the best basketball player of all time? Because he never gave up. He never gave up. He never gave up. He just kept going. He kept playing. Even today, LeBron, a lot of people are saying LeBron is the GOAT as well. Why is LeBron known as the GOAT? Because he's been playing since early 2000s, bro. He's been playing since early 2000s, bro. Imagine if he only took the deal for 5 years. He took the 5-year deal, contract, and just never played basketball again. Do you think he would be known as the greatest basketball player of all time? No, he would not be known as that. Just the thing, same thing with trading, bro. When you start trading, you give up, you will never be known, you will never be good at it again. Like anything that you learn in life, you can literally fail at it again the moment you stop doing it, bro. Literally. If you start a hobby, let's just say you're 19, you start playing basketball, and you got a contract, right? You got a contract from the NBA or something like that, right? And you play from 19 to, let's just say 24 years old, that's 5 years, right? And then you stop playing at 24, and then 34 years old, you want to come back and play again. Do you think you'll be good the same way you were at 34? At 24? Oh, bro. The goal is to keep going, man. Stop giving up, man. Stop fucking giving up, you know what I'm saying? Whatever it is you're doing in life, stop giving up, bro. I just give you an analogy. LeBron and Michael Jordan, 2 basketball players. If they took contracts for 5 years and never play basketball again, they would never be known as the basketball players they are now today. They would never be known as that. The reason why they're known today is because they kept going, bro. So what are you doing when you give up, man? When you give up on something, what the hell are you doing? Literally, you're not gaining anything when you give up. You're not gaining anything. The best you can do is keep going with your career. Keep going with whatever you're doing through all the phases, man. That's what I'm saying. Keep a positive mindset. Whatever you're doing, keep going, bro. Keep going. You know what I'm saying? Even in trading, me personally in trading, I want to be known as a trader. I want to be known because I've been trading for 4 years, and I definitely want to be known as a trader. I don't care, you know what I'm saying? Like, I love trading. I love it. There's plenty of people out there that trade, but a lot of them are not known like that. But me personally, I want to help others out there, man. I want to help myself, help my family, and help others, because there's people out there that needs help, man. There are people out there that needs help, and I believe the more you help people, the bigger your blessings are gonna be. I believe that. The more you help people, the bigger blessings you're gonna receive. The bigger blessings you're gonna receive. I mean, I do believe that. I really do believe that. And at the same time, man, like I'm saying, bro, just keep going no matter what you're doing, man. Business, trading, even the career, basketball. Like I mentioned, basketball players, man. Keep going, bro. Keep going in everything that you do. Patience pays off, man. Patience pays off, man. The patience is gonna pay off, all right? So, yeah, keep a positive mindset in whatever you're doing in life, whether through trading, business, family, relationships. Keep a positive mindset about everything that you're doing in life, man. The more positive you are, the more positive outcomes you're gonna receive. I mean, the more I became positive, the more positive outcomes I've been receiving. I've been receiving a lot of positive outcomes lately, man. Even though 2025 been a shitty year, I've been receiving a lot of positive outcomes, man. And that's all I wanted to say, man. Keep a positive mindset in whatever you're doing in life, man. Like, you're gonna succeed, bro. You're gonna succeed. If you're watching this video, you're going to succeed. You're going to succeed, okay? Believe that. Believe that, okay? You know what I'm saying? And that's it for this video, man. Follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description. Follow me on X. The link will be in the description. And yeah, bro, like, we all have dreams. We all have big goals to make it, man. We all have big dreams and big goals, man. You know what I'm saying? So take a step in your life. Take a risk, man. Take a risk. Whatever it is today, take a risk. You see that beautiful girl out there? Hey, take a risk. Approach her, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, whether you get rejected or not, take a risk. You maybe you probably never heard about trading, and you probably heard about trading. Maybe take a risk and see what it is. Just see what it is. Take a risk and see what it is. See what's it about. Start marking up the charts. Learn about it. There's plenty of videos on YouTube that explains how trading works. Take a risk, man. I'm saying, and keep a positive mindset. Keep a positive mindset in everything that you're doing in life. And this video is probably gonna be called keeping a positive mindset when you're losing as a trader, and maybe everything else you're doing in life. So yeah, man, that's it for this video. Follow me on my social medias, man. And if you have any questions, you know what I'm saying, I'll be on X, posting on X almost daily. So if you probably saw my posts on X before. So yeah, man, hit me up if you have any questions and stuff like that, or just drop a comment in the video. I always like the comments in the videos, man. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you guys. Peace.